Hello everyone. Just now the bling bag has decided to arrive. It has arrived just 5 minutes back. So I'm just going to dig into the contents and I'm going to do an unboxing and review. So this is the bag. I'm sorry I had to open the outer packaging because it would have taken me ages to take it out. So this is the bag this time. They've also sent a card with it, which I'm going to read out just now. Hey Bling Diva, which can be a better month to go all colorful other than the month of Holi? Yes, it's the holy month, I just forgot. Bling Bag is excited to celebrate this festival of colors with a bright colored bag. Yes, of course, I agree. It's pretty bright colored. Each bling has been kept hand-picked, keeping in mind the colorful spirit of March, this Holi. We hope our bond of love and friendship will grow stronger and forever. Keep blinging. Thank you so much, Bling Bag. Those were really kind words. Now I'll just dig into the contents. Now the bag that I really like the bag. It's of a perfect size to keep in my purse, and it's pretty colorful, which is something that they intended to do. So I'll just open the bag and show the contents. This is how it is looking with all the blings that are inside the bag. I'll just open the first one. So yeah, in my last video I did not talk about the packaging of each bling bag. These are the mesh bags in which each of their products. So I guess they've sent 3 products. So these are the kind of mesh bags in which it comes, along with these confettis, which I really don't like. Bling Bag, please stop sending these confettis, because if the fan is on, the confettis goes all over the room, which I really hate. Because I have to clean the room myself. Please stop doing that. So the first piece that I see is a bracelet. It's a pearl and diamond bracelet. It looks pretty cool. So this is the bracelet which they've sent. I'll just wear it and again show you. This is how it looks on my hand. I have a matching ring with it. I guess I saw it. I showed it also in my embellishment box. I can wear a ring in one hand and this bracelet in one hand. These are the labels that the Bling Bag sends, and at the back of it the price is written. So the price of this bracelet is 799 rupees. The quality is good. It is a rose gold tinted bracelet with pearl, and the pearl, as you can see, is very nicely carved in the mount, which I can say, and as well as the diamond. So I like this piece. Second piece is in a blue mesh bag along with confettis, which I hate. Bling Bag, please come and clean my room, or else please don't send confettis from next time. Thank you. No, I'm just kidding. So the second one is a necklace from Bling Bag. I'm as you can see, I'm opening the contents. This is how the necklace is looking like. I don't know, it is not agreeing to, yeah. So this is the necklace. I like the necklace. I've seen it for the first time. So I opened the outside packaging, did not see the contents. So even I'm seeing it for the first time. I like it. With a nice, white crystal earrings, or with these kind of earrings, maybe in silver. This is going to look really good. The price that they've mentioned is 1499 rupees. I love this. This is the second piece. Till now, the 2 pieces I've really liked. And the third piece I see is an earring in a red mesh bag with confetti. With regards, Bling Bag. I don't like the confettis. I'm really sorry. I'm getting irritated with it. These are the earrings. They are nice. The quality and everything is pretty nice. It's just not my style. I mean, it's too colorful, first of all, too occasional, and these kind of color combination, peach, pink, blue, green, I'm colorblind, is it? Crystals, black, it's very hard to find a dress with which these kind of earrings can go. Of course, if you want to make a statement, you can wear a yellow dress and put these earrings on, or a black dress and put these earrings on. These days it's all about making statements, but for a sober place, it's just not my style. So this is something which is a big thumbs down for me. I guess I'll have to gift it to someone because I really don't like it. All in all, for 1499 rupees, I guess it's a decent deal for this month. I'm not as happy as I was last month, but it's okay. Like once in a while, you have to give everyone a chance. Maybe I like the I like the bracelet. I like the necklace, but I really don't like the earrings. Secondly, I don't like the fact that they've sent only 3 pieces instead of 4, though they are of decent. Yes, I forgot to tell the price of these earrings. They're $1,099. Oh God, an earring worth of $1,099, and I don't like it. Cool, no problem. You cannot be happy every time. Somebody cannot make you happy every time. But this time I did not like the bag too much. Two pieces I really love, but could have been better. Maybe. So better luck probably to me as to Bling Bag for next month. And so this was all for the review. I'll link the website down below. You can if you like these kind of earrings, or if you like the necklace and the bracelet, you can go to Bling Boutique and purchase them, or else hopefully they'll send the same necklace and the same bracelet to you in this month's Bling Bag as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.